as you. You're steady through and through. May I ask what you're drinking? Mine's a double JD Coke. Take a glass towards your throat. Let the juice flow through your spine. And if it's not your taste, don't let it go to waste. I'll have that and you can have your wine. But remember, nothing's ever quite as it seems. Even whilst in motion, you know that I can shatter your dreams. You've got to understand that we come together, beat the stormy weather. Can you feel these vibrations now? And if we leave these demons fighting good and evil, can you feel these vibrations now? Now, just to heat the temperature, I'll show you just how I love to give it to you. You know how simple this is. It starts with some French kissing, then I'll take off your blouse. We move up to the bedroom, I'll make a move on you. I can almost feel this now. But then you turn to me, show me the silent V. I can almost taste your growl, but remember,